Hi everyone, how you doing? Well, I was out going to some of my favorite hangouts, just seeing what was happening in our neighborhood, and came across something that was really odd. So this is solar system scope. Great animation, great website, gives you exactly where the planets are. Really a good realistic view of what's happening. And you can kind of span out, you can really get an idea of exactly the solar system. But for this purpose, I want to get more into Mercury. So let me get it to where the sun is being blocked out. And as you can see, Mercury is right here. All right. Now we're going to be looking at two satellites. We're going to have core one ahead, which is back here. And let me give you the view. So it's kind of facing us opposite, right? And we have stereo A that sits out here like this, and you've got stereo B that's here. All right, and this is the view. Now, it's very important to see where Mercury is on the view as we spin around so you can get an idea of, by the way, do you notice Mercury's orbit? For all of you astronomer buffs, when was the last time you checked the orbits out? I find this one really odd. Much more elliptical, isn't it? Anyway, I digress. So we get a good idea of what we're looking at from our satellite views. And as you can see, in fact, I don't know about the rest of you, but when did Mercury start having more of an elliptical orbit? Now, all the planets vary on the plane, the ecliptical plane, but I can't recall knowing that Mercury was in that much of an incline. So, planets move, and I'm going to show you how they would move so we can have a view here. So, we're just going to advance it. And what we want to do is just move forward. So that's 8 days, right? Now we can go backwards in time. So you can see planets don't move real fast. All right, so we're going to stop it. We're going to go and advance it. Look how slow it is. See how look at the time code. All right, very important. Now, I'm going to show you something that was captured on stereo. We're going to look at particularly core 2 ahead. We're also going to be paying attention to core 1 as well. And we're going to look at a couple of steel frames. All right. Now, this I just downloaded. I want you to pay attention to what is coming out from the sun. Watch this. Now, I just showed you planets don't move that fast. And let's just say that this could have possibly been Mercury. We know that it's not. Mercury shines much brighter, folks. When it's behind the sun, whoo, I mean, it's really bright. I don't know what this is. And I'm just going to let you see it. We're going to kind of catch it by frame. And you can see now, look what shows up here at the very end. I have no idea what that is. But as you can see, and then let's look, you see it, it's only a blink. All right, let's kind of see if we can catch a steal on this. So this is core 1 ahead. Check this out. Folks, I can tell you, objects don't move that fast. Not planetary objects. Look at this, and it's very distinct. Got no idea. But there it is, and leaving quickly. This is another more unfiltered image, but again, you're going to see it. There it is. And it's right here. It moves so quickly. And you can see it. It just is sailing across there. Now this one has a slower recording. And let's check and see what's going on here. Well, you have to really move quick on these, but I'm looking as well to this object that's up here. Look at, there it is. So this is not an anomaly. It's being picked up by several different cameras. I even have a still of this now. And here is our object right here. And again, Mercury, typically, as you see, Mercury is more of this type of an orbit going out. But planets don't move this quick, folks. It just doesn't happen. You can go back and look at the archives yourself. And I have no idea what this object is up here, but it's moving very quickly. As you can see, again. And here are some stills of the object as well. Hard to tell, you know, when you're looking at something 94 million miles away. But as you can see, it's clearly there. I do not have a clue what this is, but it's big and it's moving very fast. So again, I'm not sure what it is, but it's showing up on stereo ahead, core 1 and core 2. And, you know, that's when we know that we've actually captured something. And it's clearly that there is something there. You can actually go to the website yourself, check it out. Let me know what you think. All right, we'll talk to you soon.